Hello everybody, it's Braden here from the T-Storm Chasers, just coming to you with a new weather video for today. Today is Monday, the 9th of June. We're going to go through a couple different things today, just our temperatures and some rain chances for later on this week. Some of those may even be severe, but first we're going to get to an ad from RF Custom Construction. So
Everybody is looking for the perfect roof. You're only one call away. We're RF Custom Construction, and we've been transforming roofs in Sioux Falls since 2011. Our custom designs and quality craftsmanship redefine what a roof can be. And it's all about you, your style, your satisfaction. Ready to get started? Call us today at 605-366-9790. RF Custom Construction, custom designs redefined.
So thank you for sponsoring today's video, RF Custom Construction. We're going to get straight into it just with our temperatures here. So this is for today, Monday, June 9th here. This is until 7 o'clock. So our maximum temperatures here in the Sioux Falls area is 69 degrees, 66 up there towards Aberdeen, 75 over towards Pierre, and 80 over towards the Rapid City area. The farther west you go today, it's going to be warmer as we have that warmer air trying to push through from the western side of the United States currently. As you guys can see up there towards Montana and the Wyoming areas, it's getting up into the 90s over there. So over the next couple of days, we will start to get that air. That'll be tomorrow. But first, let's go over our overnight lows tonight. So 51 here in Sioux Falls, 51 in Sioux City, 46 up there towards Aberdeen, 51 in Pierre, and 57 in Rapid City there. So getting into our day 2 here, which is tomorrow. This is Tuesday. 91 here in the Sioux Falls area, 90 in the Sioux City area, 87 up there towards Aberdeen, 94 towards the Pierre metro area there, and 93 over towards Rapid City. So most of our region here in South Dakota here is going to see some type of 90s, except if you're in the far northern parts of the state there. So getting into our overnight there on Tuesday into Wednesday, 62 here in Sioux Falls, 62 in Sioux City, 53 in Aberdeen, 59 in Pierre, and 59 also over there in Rapid City. So it'll be a nice night on Wednesday. Temperature wise, we will have some storms coming in here on Wednesday. I will be showing you guys that later on, but that will be towards the daytime there. So we'll take a look at that here in a second, but let's finish off here with Wednesday. We're going to have that sharp little gradient there, as you can see, between Sioux Falls and Sioux City there. 88 in Sioux City, 76 there in Sioux Falls, 77 up there in Pierre, 77 in Aberdeen, and 78 in Pierre. Apologies for that one. 79 in Rapid City there, but the farther you go south there, the warmer it's going to get, and that warm air has actually prompted the National Weather Service to put out a marginal risk of severe weather here. So this is for day 3 here. This is Wednesday, from 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday here. So severe weather is possible. So all we're looking at here is mostly large hail and damaging winds at this point. There is a slight tornado threat at this point, but nothing too terribly crazy. So day 3, they only put out one probability outlook. So we have a 5% for all hazards at this point. So we're going to take a look here at our future track forecast, just to give you a look at what's going to be happening over the next 60 or so hours. So that'll push out into our severe weather time frame. So this is right about now on Monday here. So this is the 20Z mark. So that is 4 p.m. or no, 2 p.m. or no, it is 4 p.m. Apologies, but we're going to push this out here. Here is 6 o'clock, all clear here. We might have a couple showers push through. Might try to get going here into the afternoon on Tuesday in our eastern counties there up towards Watertown and Sisseton over there, but nothing too terribly crazy. We're gonna get going here into our Wednesday here. This is midnight on Wednesday. You see that low pressure there in the bottom left hand corner, that big red L there. That's what's going to be bringing us our weather here as we push along here. And you see those rain showers start to form. Those will most likely just be garden variety thunderstorms at this point. The southern line here that starts to develop right around the 4 to 5 o'clock or the 3 to 4 o'clock time frame here is what we're going to be looking for with the severe weather here. And as that materializes here, we'll see that severe weather kind of just stay to the south of the Sioux Falls area and push to the east towards the central Iowa area there. That is why that marginal risk is kind of to the south of us. As you guys can see, we're still kind of included in it. The I-90, I-29 interchange there is not included, as you guys can see there with that little blue line just to the north of the green there. But we do have a risk if it does push to the north that we're going to have to watch for that. But we will be around and covering this event just in case anything does happen for you guys. But at this point, it's not looking too crazy, but we will keep an eye on it as the threat starts to get closer here. We're going to take a look at this here. This is kind of a cheater mode for looking at all the different parameters when it comes to severe weather over the next couple of days, just to give you a general idea of what might happen here. But so this is starting out right now, right when we started the future track forecast there. We're going to move this along and just give you a quick view of that. So this is what we're looking at right here. This is right when those thunderstorms start to develop down here towards the Sioux City area. We have a supercell composite of about 20 here, which is a little bit higher on our scale. And if we take a look at a sounding, I'm not our possible hazard type there is a marginal tornado. So parameters are in place for possible tornadoes, but like I said earlier, we just have to wait till it gets closer to see if that threat materializes, because there's only a short little window here that all the ingredients are going to be there. So we'll continue to watch that, and we'll let you guys know what ends up happening here. So